Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you a super handy trick for filtering data when you have merged cells in Excel. If you've ever tried to filter a column with merged cells, you've probably noticed it doesn't quite work as expected. Instead of showing all the related rows, Excel only keeps one. Frustrating, right? But don't worry. I've got a workaround that keeps your merged layout intact while making filtering work exactly as it should. It takes a little setup, but you only need to do it once, and then you're good to go. Let's jump right in. First, let's grab a copy of the merged cells before we make any changes. Select all the merged cells in your column. Press Ctrl+C to copy them. Paste them somewhere else in your sheet. I'm going to use column F. Just press Enter after pasting. This is just a backup so we can bring back the merged formatting later. Now, let's get Excel ready for filtering. Select all the merged cells again. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the Merge and Center button and choose Unmerge Cells. Now all your data is still there. It just might look a little messy. Don't worry, we're about to fix that. We need to make sure every row has a value, even the ones that were blank due to merging. With the unmerged cells still selected, go to the Find and Select button on the Home tab. Choose Go to Special, then Blanks, and click OK. In the formula bar, type equals and select the first region name above the blank cells. Instead of pressing Enter, press Ctrl+Enter. This fills down all the blank cells at once. See? Now every row has a value, making it filter-friendly. Look now, that filtering works. Let's bring back the merged look without breaking the functionality. Select the backup merged cells you copied earlier. Click the Format Painter, found in the Home tab. Click the first cell where you originally had merged data. And just like that, your formatting is back without messing up your filtering. Now let's see if it worked. Go ahead and apply a filter to the column. If I filter for Midlands, I can now see all the branches within that region, exactly what we wanted. No more missing data. And that's it. Now you know how to filter merged cells in Excel without losing important data. If this trick helped you, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Excel tips that will make your life easier. Let me know in the comments. What's one Excel problem you've been struggling with? I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.